You okay, buddy?
Wonderful episode of Viva Pinata Party Animals! It's a spectacular day for an adventure-filled race around Pinata Island, Pierre. I'm here with the contestants now. Let's take a look at what's ahead for them. What a fantastic race we've got planned. What can you tell us about the track conditions? Well, I float over the beach, through the jungle, and into the hills. And boy, are my arms tied. The sky is clear, the water's gorgeous, and I've even spotted a shortcut in the village.
What can you tell us about the contest, though?
It's too early to tell who's going to be the winner today, Fancy Feathers. They're a ragtag bunch if I ever saw them. I'm amazed they even got to the start line in one piece.
All right, it looks like we're about to get started. Good luck, everyone!
Are you playing Xbox? What are you playing?
That's gotta hurt.
Stay on the track, you can't be collecting for food!
What a sorry state of affairs.
I thought my fan brother was too disappointed.
And here are the results! There's no rest for these lucky pinatas as they race to the challenger bag!
There's no rest for your mouth either.
Are you ready to party?
What hurts, baby? Nene, show Mama what hurts.